Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB, a tune-up report on the Stryker SR-655 for Clifford in Alabama. Cliff asked me to put on this record module, and we'll show you how that works in a little bit here. Okay, I'm going to bring the power all the way down on AM. We'll take a look over here at this meter. Set for 10 watts. All the way down is 1. Now let's set it to read 10, 20, 30 on the bottom. And I'll turn it all the way up. We're right about 18 there. Peak power on my 100 watt peak reading meter. Audio. Check. Audio. Right there. Audio. Alright. Oops. Drop the mic. Okay, now let's show you FM. FM's right at 40. And it will adjust all the way down to about 2 watts. I bet it's about 2. Yeah, almost 1.5. As low as that goes. Put it back on AM. Now this is the part where I would throw it on the antenna and show you how well it's going, but right now we've got no antenna. Hurricane took it down. So I injected a receive signal and made sure everything was good that way. Alright, and then this is the noise toy I recorded myself earlier. Okay. And that's it. That's all I got to show you. Y'all have a fine day.